FIs.
And we hope that they come back to India as well, the FIs. Well, I want to focus on two asset classes. I'll just go across to the wall and focus on that. I'm looking at, two asset classes is what we're looking at. One is the Nifty and then it's gold. And there is a ratio that you're looking at basically between Nifty and gold. And I've just done some study with regard to history. What does it suggest? As of now, currently the ratio between Nifty to gold is around 2.75. That is, if you have 2.75 grams of gold, you could buy one Nifty. Now, that's the broad ratio. So if you look at it in a ratio terms, or you plot it in that manner. At the peak, in September, it went to around 3.75. That is 3.75 grams of gold to buy one Nifty. During COVID, which is more or less that black swan event, it goes down to 2. And on the upside as well, we've seen it go to around 5 or thereabouts, if I look at the last 20, 25 years or thereabouts. So as of now, we are closer to the lower end of the range, which questions that whether or not the Nifty gold ratio, is it turning favorable? Two charts is what I'm going to pull up for you on the screen. This is the chart of Nifty as well as gold. So both of them, come up for you. So as you can see, the blue line, that's the Nifty chart out there. And currently, if you look at it, we're at around the 22,000 mark or thereabouts. But the Nifty gold ratio, that's important. That's coming down closer to around the 2.5 odd mark. As you can see on the screen, it's coming down towards that 2.5. Currently, it's around 2.7 or thereabouts. To just plot at those points, of the gold trigger points, when in fact the Nifty gold ratio comes down to around 2.5, 2.75. These are the black dots, the red dots that come up for you on the screen. From there, invariably, the Nifty does see a bit of a good run. And as of now, we're reaching closer to that zone. So just to put it in numerical terms, well, as of now, in the past, we have seen when the Nifty goes to around 2.5 to around 2.75, we do see that more often than not, 1 year down the line, the Nifty is actually higher. So maybe we have some room on the downside, but we are reaching gradually that sweet spot of around 2.5 to 2.75. And in India, actually, the ratio between the Nifty as well as gold is quite interesting because the total gold stock is close to around $3 trillion, while the total market capitalization here in India is close to around $4 trillion. So it's almost, pretty much close to each other. While in the global markets, we have seen that the percentage of gold, if you compare it with the market capitalization, it's not that much. So that's the interesting part. Nifty to gold ratio has come down to 2.75. Is it turning favorable? Important part.